A famous scientist once said, look at companies like Kodak, look at BlackBerry. They were leaders, they were powerful, but they failed to adapt. But here is good news. If you combine your skills with AI tools, there is one skill, one hidden ability that decides whether you win or not. But most people completely ignore it. A famous scientist once said, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. Now, everything is changing fast. Jobs are changing, skills are changing, even businesses are changing. So, here is a question for you. Are you changing? Look at companies like Kodak, look at BlackBerry. They were leaders, they were powerful, but they failed to adapt, and today they are just examples in history. But here is good news. If you combine your skills with AI tools, you can do your work faster, smarter, better in a very short time. That means you are already ahead of 90% of people. This is exactly why I created this channel. Not for entertainment, not for wasting time. This channel is for people who value their time, people who think differently, people who want to grow. Today, there is too much information in the world, too many videos, too much noise. I take only the most useful AI tools and show you how to use them in real life step by step. If you are watching this, you're not an average person. You're someone who wants to improve, someone who wants to use time wisely. That means you're already thinking like a smart person. So now you understand why this channel matters. If you really want to stay ahead in this AI era, subscribe this channel, because the earlier you adapt, the faster you win. In the next videos, I will show you powerful AI tools that can literally change how you work. So stay ready, your transformation starts here.